Hey, what's up? What's going on? Today I'm going to share with you 10 websites that you can earn $100 just writing articles. So I'm going to share with you. So make sure you watch this all the way to the end because this is going to be packed. If you want to get paid for something that you love, you like to write, you like to post blogs and all that kind of stuff, I'm going to share with you 10 websites that you can earn $100 just writing different contents and writing articles. So if it's your first time here, make sure you like, subscribe, because if you come through here, you see a ton of videos that I've already created so you can start out right away. So if you're looking for affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and passive income, you landed on the perfect YouTube channel. So like, subscribe, let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. I always like to know how far my videos are trending. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. It's always good to have you back and keep watching my videos over and over again. And if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, check out the first link in the description if you want to learn how to make passive income and you want to start an online business for yourself. So let's dive into it. So here are the 10 websites that you can earn $100 writing articles. So the first one is called moneypantry.com. So moneypantry.com, they basically talk about financing and all those things. So if you come through here, you could see exactly what they do. Money Pantry is a personal finance blog. So they talk about how you could save money, how you can earn money. And people will go on this specific websites to get great ideas of how they can have a better financial life. So they are paying people to write blogs because that's what they are. So if you want to earn money, all you have to do is just scroll all the way down to the bottom. You scroll all the way down to the bottom and you can see some things here. Like people want to learn how to make money online. People want to learn how to save money. There's some freebies and all that type of stuff. So these are different articles that people like you are looking for, and they just write. So just like how you go on Google and you find out more about financing, this would be the perfect spot. So you can scroll all the way down to the bottom, and over here where it says contribute, you click on here and want to earn up to $150 per post. So write for Money Pantry. So if you love writing, this is where you can make at least $100, $150 per post. So that is great. So it'll give you all the information. And if we publish, you could get anywhere from $30 to $150. So you got to read the guidelines and send us like your stories. So those are the things. And you have to have at least 700 words. So we like longer articles, such as like 1,000 to 2,000 word range. So if you're a person who like to write good stuff and not blobbing, because they don't want people to just like blob, just keep blobbing. Just make sure it's solid content and you're somewhere up here in the $150. So they're going to send it straight into your PayPal account. So the next website that I'm going to share with you how you can earn $100 writing articles is Income Voice. And Income Voice, they talk about the different platforms that you can make money. So how to make money on ClickBank, AdSense, and many more. So they talk about like social media platforms, JVZoo. They talk about Warrior Plus, ClickBank. And if you know about these particular websites, these are websites that there are networks that have multiple different products. So people put their products on there, and then affiliate marketer, just like myself, because I sell on some of these platforms. You go on there, you find a product, you promote it, and you get paid. But they want you to write some articles about these different platforms, how to get traffic, Amazon methods, AdSense methods, ClickBank methods, all the tips and tricks. If you are in this field, they want you to write for them. So if you want to click on where it says write for us, once you click on that, the website's going to load and you can go ahead and you could get started. So you can see some examples of what they are looking for. So we accept different detailed examples, so you can click on it and you can see what they're looking for. And then once it pops up, you can see some examples. And just like this, they're looking for like screenshots of income proof and ways how people can actually make money. And they go into details and they show you, screenshots. So it's just a perfect blog of what is it that they're looking for. So you come on here, you could sign up, and keep in mind, aim for no less than 1,000 to 1,500 words. And again, no paragraph more than 2 to 3 sentences. So they're giving you exactly what they're looking for, the title, all the type of stuff. So you could send if you want to get in touch with them, send some information over to that particular email and you can hear from them. Once you sign up, you can make $100 writing articles. So next website is scarymummy.com. So scarymummy.com is for moms. And this is perfect for moms. So if you're a new mom or you've been a mom for a long time, or even if you're a mom, this is a great place to write for moms. So they're looking for the experience that you had. What type of experience do you have from a baby to toddler to taking your kids in kindergarten to high school, college, all the type of stuff. So this is what this website's for. It's particular for ladies. Yeah, guys, I'm sure there's guys out there that raise kids as well. Not a problem. So you could come on here and you could sign up for this. I'm not sure if they're segregating or anything, but it is a great website and it covers everything for moms. So once you come on here, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and you can get some more information, advertise with us. That's if people want to advertise. But if you want to write, you could just come on here and you could just go through these things, see exactly what they're looking for, and then you could reach out to them by contacting them about us page, or you could sign up with your email and you could get some more information of how you can start with scarymummy.com. So next website is fool.com. Well, it's actually the Motley Fool, but it's to get there, it's fool.com. This talks about stocks, how to invest, retirement, personal finances, all these type of things related, how you can earn like marijuana stocks. That is booming right now. So get into it. Earnings, doing like call transcripts. So it's not only just articles, but you can earn money with transcripts as well. So you scroll through here and see the website. You can see this website is all over the world. They want to reach people to learn more about finances. So it doesn't matter what. As you can see, there's they have Fool Canada, Fool Australia, Fool UK, Fool Hong Kong, Fool Japan. So these are some of the places. So it's a huge, broad website that talks about finances. So come on here. You can go inside of the community. You see the discussion board, contact us, media. So you got to reach out to them, and they can get you started like right away. So come on here, and if this is something that you like, you can start writing for fool.com, the Motley Fool. So the next website is uxbooth.com. So uxbooth.com is another great website. They talk about, it's more of user research. So business strategies, interaction design, philosophy, information architecture, content strategy, visual design, research, all these things inside. And if you'd like to contribute, you can click on the contribution section. And if you ever had a goal to make the world a more user-friendly place, you have the expertise. We're looking for you to become a UX Booth author. So you could sign up. You can go in here, put out the information, tell us why you should be the one to write about us. And they give you some guidelines that you need to do. They also are written for like the third person, 1,200 to 1,800 words long, and you can get paid just by doing so. So this is another great website. You can make $100 writing content. Next website is, well, it's womanonwriting.com, but it's like, wow, Woman on Writing, another great website for the ladies, of course, women. So come on here, and this is all about content. It's more of like an old-fashioned style kind of website, but it's pretty cool. I like it. So you could just come through here, and see the different type of articles that ladies are putting up on here, which is great. And you can get started like right away. So in the article section, you click on articles. And then once you click on articles, you'll see like if you want to be an author, you can click on the contact page. And then once you click on the contact page, it's going to take you over to the guidelines, advertise, author promotion, blogs, buzz contests. So they even have contests of like writing blogs. So if you're really good at this and you want to put your, pen to paper and put your mind to being creative, this is a great platform for the ladies. So ladies, this is perfect for you. Make sure you sign up for this right away. So next website that you can make $100 per day, earn $100 writing articles is Listverse. I talked about this particular website on my previous video, but I brought it back due to popular demand. So on here, there's so many different things that people write. The 10 uplifting stories, 10 bizarre things. It's all like the 10. We call it the 10-10. 10 ways how to cook this, 10 ways how to get jobs we already lost in technology, 10 this, 10 that, 10. Everything is about 10. So you want to write for them, you click on more, write, and get paid. And right there, you could get paid $100 just for writing articles. And then it goes straight into your PayPal account. If you got a PayPal, you know how to write. Bada bing, bada boom. That's the way to go. And they tell you exactly what they are looking for. They always give you guidelines. So read through the guidelines and you can get started right away. So the next website I'm going to talking about how you can earn $100 writing content or writing articles is GoEast.ems.com. So GoEast is outdoor hiking, kayaking, all that type of stuff. It's more of nature. So they want to write everything, as you can see, Eastern Mountain Sport. I'm sure you probably know about, the backpack, Eastern Mountain Sports and all that kind of gear. So if you click on, you want to contribute, you click contribute to contributor guidelines, and they share your known how-to beta stories right to go post. So if you're someone who like the outdoors and you like to hike, it could be hunting too. You never know. So just come on here, how to write, pitching stories, sending us ideas about what you want to write about. So you want to tell them exactly what you want to write about. And then once you do that, will I get paid? Absolutely. So the only thing with this, you're going to get paid in gift cards. So gift cards and 200 words, you get 50, 500 words, you get 75, 900 words or more. You get anywhere from $100 gift card. So it's still good. You can still make that money. You could cash it out. There's a specific website that you can go and cash out those gift cards into cash. However, they're going to take a little percentage as well. So you can buy some things with the gift cards, buy some nice presents or something that is useful for you. And these are some different tier packages. There's like 75, there's 150, even $300 for tier 1. And scroll through here and you could see what this website is talking about. Outdoors, adventures, and that is a great website. So 10 websites to earn $100 writing articles is Cosmopolitan. Everyone know Cosmopolitan is huge. This is like, they talk about like the sus, you spill the tea, relationships, sex, goals, health, food, politics, college, money, careers, horoscopes, advertise, celebrities, all the type of stuff. So anything that's hot, what's new, you come on here and they are like in the limelight. Like this right here, they're talking about James Charles. James Charles and Tati Westbrooks. They're having a kind of fallout right now. So this right here, everybody is reading about it. So that's why people are writing more about these things. As you can see, Meghan and Prince Harry, they share their, wedding photos for their anniversaries, all the type of stuff. They just recently had a baby shooting this video. So all this are like hot sus celebrities. So if you like that kind of stuff, you can start to do your research and start to put your ideas out there and start to write. So if you want to contribute, you can reach out to them as well. just by coming into this is the US section. I don't know why it's not popping up, but it should pop up. I just clicked on it. So once you click on this area right here, you know, about us section, you can go in the about us section, and you could just reach out to them, and then you could start right away. So the last and final website how you can make $100 writing articles is HowRound.com. So HowRound is a website that, you know, we are free open platform that for theater makers. So it's all about theater, you know, theatrics and anything to do with acting, music wise, and performing arts. So that's what they do. They have upcoming events, and they want to write articles about music, theater, drama, acting, all the type of stuff. So if you want to contribute, you could just click on here, and you could see how you could do right for a journal, you know, live stream event, right for a journal, and you could see like all the information listed on here. So you can make anywhere from like $50 for 750 to 100 words. You can get $100 for 1,000 to 150, 1,500 words, 1,500 to 2,000 words, and you get $150. So here are the guidelines, what they're looking for. You always want to read more about it and see exactly what you're looking for. They always post examples, so that way you can look and you can see exactly that you're looking for. So I hope you enjoy this video. So those were the 10 websites. So those were the 10 websites to earn $100 writing articles. So if you need more content, more videos like this, remember to like, subscribe, become a part of the family. If you're looking for my #1 recommendation, I highly advise you to check out the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre. That was an overview of the 10 websites to make $100 writing articles. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.